something to chew on is funding the trust. For folks who wrote a plan once upon a time, they may realize that their house is not titled in the trust. It's a huge problem. A few decades ago, it was not uncommon for the attorney to give the client the new title to their house and tell the client, go send it to the recorder's office. And a lot of folks never did that. Or it could be that the family worked with LegalZoom or a do-it-yourself book, and likewise, nobody explained to them how to put their house into a trust. But if a house in California that's over $700,000 and what's under that number is not titled in the trust, then that house is going to go through the probate court system before it is inherited by the kids or whomever they want to have as the recipients. So a good estate planning attorney who helps clients fund their trust is worth their weight in gold. For anyone watching who already has an estate plan, great job, but go back to your attorney and make sure that your primary residence is funded in the trust. Or if you're renting, but you have little kids, make sure the life insurance is going to go to the trust so that it goes to the kids with all of the age conditions that you put down, or the retirement account that is going to pay to the trust should both people in the couple pass away. Naming children on those documents directly, it works if they're in their late 20s, 30s, but if they're younger, you've got to have the trust receive benefit of those documents. And finally, for people who've never put an estate plan together, a good question to ask if you're vetting different lawyers is, will you help me fund the trust? Will you help me put my bigger assets, my most important valuables into the trust? Because that's a very confusing endeavor for even attorneys, unless you're in this area. That's my piece of information for today. Let's talk more about funding the trust. If you want some help with it, I always provide at least 25-minute consultations, often a little longer than that, and I'm happy to help. Stay dry. Enjoy the rain. We need it in California. Oh my gosh. Seriously, that's good. I'm happy with it.